Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing a budget-friendly DIY that completely transforms this old wooden box. Besides a hot glue gun and a screwdriver, I only used 4 materials to pull this off. Spray paint, table legs, straight top plate, and Dollar Tree picture frames. Starting with the frames, I popped out the glass and the backing and removed all of the little tabs. I measured out where I wanted each frame, then used hot glue to attach them. It's fast, simple, and works great since they're just decorative. Next, I covered everything with a coat of gesso for a clean white base and let it dry overnight. The next morning, I grabbed my straight top plates and freshly spray painted legs from Lowe's. I didn't have a drill, so I just used a screwdriver, but it worked just fine. The top plates are super easy to install. I measured about 1 inch in from each corner, taped the plates into place to keep them steady, then screwed everything in. Once that's done, you just twist on the legs. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this quick DIY, be sure to like, comment, or subscribe. It only took a few minutes, but the results made a big difference.